This is tutorial number 5, and it covers CATIA v5 hotkeys. To start off, open up the CATIA v5 hotkeys, which is included on the DVD. This is a PDF that I've created to show you some of the basic hotkeys that you'll be using in your CATIA v5. Now, these hotkeys will allow you to open and save, copy and paste, and move around your models with ease. So you're using your keyboard as your hotkeys. So you have one hand on your mouse, one hand on your keyboard, and you're able to become more efficient and faster at working on CATIA v5. Now I'm just going to show you a couple. So we're just going to open a new document and try to save it with the hotkeys. So we're going to use Control N and we're going to use Control S. So to start a new document, we'll do Control N and we'll select a part, click OK, click OK. And now let's try to save our part. Let's click Control S. And now we can save our new part. These CATIA v5 hotkeys are a great tool to use. You're able to print off that sheet that I've included, the PDF, and just keep it anywhere close to your workstation so you can remember what they are and quickly and easily use the hotkeys. And that concludes our tutorial on the CATIA v5 hotkeys.